Good morning, students. In today's class, we will continue fractions and decimal chapters, remaining exercise sums. Till 6 we have solved in last class. Seventh question. We will read the question. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had larger share? By how much? Now here in the question it is given part of an apple eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5. We have to find out part of an apple eaten by Somu. Now part of an apple eaten by Somu is 1 minus part of apple eaten by Ritu. One apple that is eaten by Ritu and Somu. This much is eaten by Ritu. So how much is eaten by Somu? So 1 minus, why we are using 1 minus is whole apple is, when we write that in numbers we have to use 1. Whole apple minus part of apple eaten by Ritu, that is 3 by 5. Then if you subtract that from whole apple, you will get part of the apple eaten by Somu. So 1 minus 3 by 5, this you have learnt in your last classes, subtracting. But 1 is not a fraction, make it fraction by writing the denominator 1 minus 3 by 5. Now take the LCM. Here LCM is 1 into 5, no common factor, so 5 into 1. 5 is the LCM. So we have to make this denominator 5 by multiplying 5 to the denominator and to the numerator. And simplification you have learnt. And then after equating the denominator, subtracting the numerator. Next here two more questions are there. Who had larger share? To find who had larger share, this you don't copy in your notes. So this is the hint to you to solve the next part. To find larger share, compare 3 by 5 and part eaten by Somu. When you simplify this, you will get part eaten by Somu. So you have to compare 3 by 5 and this answer you are getting, no, those two fractions you have to compare. How to compare the fractions? This you have learnt in your last class. If you have forgotten, just go through those sums and recall it and solve this sum. 3 by 5, and here also if you get same denominator means no need of equating the denominator. If you get a denominator different, then you will not get denominator different. Same denominator 5 only you will get, numerator will be different. Compare 3 by 5 and this denominator. Directly comparing the numerators, then you will get which is a larger fraction. So after getting which fraction is larger, then you have to write proper sentences like who had larger share. For that, after getting the larger share, you have to write a name. If you Ritu's part is larger means you have to write Ritu had a larger share. Next, by how much? To find by how much, subtract some smaller fraction from the bigger fraction. Which is a smaller, which is a bigger fraction? When you compare both the fractions, you will get here. First in the beginning you write bigger fraction minus smaller fraction, you will get the difference between the larger and the smaller fraction, that is by how much. So that much fraction, that much his part is larger share. So next question. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? When you read the question, who worked longer, how to find out? Again we have to compare these two fractions. See, time taken by Michael to color a picture is 7 by 12 hour. Time taken by Vaibhav is 3 by 4 hour. Now this also don't copy this in your notes. This is the hint given to you to solve. To find who worked longer, compare 7 by 12 and 3 by 4 by equating the denominator. Here denominators are not equal. Equate it by taking the LCM. Here the LCM you will get 12. Make this denominator 12 and compare the numerator. Bigger numerator is the bigger fraction. Bigger numerated fraction is the bigger fraction. So write proper sentences. Who worked longer? Here if you get Vaibhav's this part, time taken by Vaibhav, if you get bigger, then write Vaibhav has taken, Vaibhav worked longer. That way you have to write the sentence. By what fraction was it longer? Again here, by what fraction was it longer? Same like sixth sum. Here also you have to subtract bigger fraction minus smaller fraction. You will get the answer. That answer, after getting the answer, you have to write 3 by 4. If you get means 3 by 4 fraction was it longer. Likewise think and write proper sentences. Next part, multiplication of fractions. Here in this you have used addition and subtraction of fractions and comparison of fractions to our day-to-day life situations. Now we are learning how to multiply fractions. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Examples: multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert it into a mixed fraction. When can we convert a fraction into mixed fraction? If the fraction is improper fraction, then we can convert it into mixed fraction. See first example, 6 into 3 by 5. Here we are multiplying whole number into fraction. So 6 into 3 by 5, this is a number, it is not a fraction. Consider 6 as in the numerator. Multiply this to the numerator, 18. 6 3s are 18 by 5. Here, as like in addition subtraction, you don't have to equate the denominator. Directly multiplying numerator into numerator. Denominator, if it is there, means multiply denominator number into the denominator of next fraction. Here, since denominator is not there, multiply numerator into numerator. 6 3s are 18, 18 by 5. Remember this, when you multiply, you don't have to equate the denominator. Numerator into numerator, product you have to write here. Denominator into denominator. No denominator means 5 only remains, 18 by 5. Now 18 by 5 is a improper fraction. When do we call a fraction as improper fraction? If the numerator is bigger than the denominator, that fraction is a improper fraction. We can convert this into mixed fraction. How to convert this into mixed fraction? I have shown you in the last class by dividing. Now we will do it directly. 18 by 5. Now divide 18 by 5. Complete division is not possible. Remainder remains. So find out the nearest product. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. That crosses 18. So nearest smaller product you have to choose. 5 3s are 15. So 3 you have to write here. 5 how much is 15? 5 3s are. That 3 comes here. And 18 minus 5 3s are 15 you got. But here 18 is there. So you have to subtract 18 minus 15. Again 3 remainder. Remainder you have to write it in the numerator. And denominator, here denominator is 5. Same denominator will come here also. So 3 by 5. Next question. 4 into 5 by 2. See here, simplification is cancellation is division is possible. Division, we call it as simplification, is possible. Now 2 and 4. Here 2 is the factor for 2 and 4. Divide it using the table 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. This way division also possible. If it is possible, you can do this way also. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So here we got 1. Further division is not possible. Now multiply numerator into numerator. 5 2s are 10 divided by 1 remainder. 1 in the denominator. 10 by 1 is 10. Next question. 15 into 7 by 5. Again 15 and 5 we can divide. 5 1s are, 5 3s are. Next multiply numerator into numerator. 3 7s are 21. 21 by 1 is 21. Next 7 by 6 into 9. Now again this way division is possible, but the common factor for 6 and 9 is 3 using the table 3. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now further division is possible, means you can do here further division. 2 and 7 no common factor, 2 and 3 also no common factor. So we cannot divide. So multiply. 7 3s are 21, 21 by 2. Again 21 by 2 is improper fraction. So we can convert this into mixed fraction. So 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, more than this. So nearest smaller product is 2 10s are 20. That 10 will go here, not 20. 2 10s are 2, how much are 20? 2 10s are 20, 20. Next that product you have to subtract from this number. 221 minus 20, 1. So remainder goes here, denominator 2 remains same. So this way similar sums are there in exercise. Do that sum by referring these sums. Now we can write drawing in the fraction form. See here 2 circles are there. Circles are divided into 4 parts and 3 parts are colored, and here also 3 parts are colored. Now how to write this in fraction? Now here 2 indicates 2 figures, 2 circles are there. 2 into, then how much part of this circle is shaded or colored? Here 3 parts are colored, and altogether this circle is divided into 4 parts. That 4 will go to the denominator, and how many parts are colored? That will go to the numerator. 3 parts are colored here also, 3 parts are colored here also. In the two figures, 3 parts are colored out of 4 divisions. So here again, as we like here, we can, if division is possible, means we can divide. Here 2 and 4 common factor is 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So numerator into numerator, 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 2. Further division is not possible. So multiply numerator into numerator divided by denominator. Second figure. Here 3 figures are there. First of all, you write how many figures? 3 figures into, here this figure is divided into how many parts? 2 parts. So that you write in the denominator. And how many parts are colored? 1 part is colored. That will go to the numerator. Here cancellation or simplification is possible, means you can do. Here simplification is not possible. Multiply numerator into numerator. 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 2. Now see here third example. Here 4 triangles are there. 4 into. Now how many? This triangle is divided into how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3 and 4. That you write in the denominator. And how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3 parts are colored. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are colored in all the 4 figures. So right here 3 parts are colored out of 4 parts. How many figures? In the 4 figures, 3 parts are colored out of 4 parts. Now division is possible. Both 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 3 into 1, 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. This is the fraction of given drawing. Now see, these are the example sums I have explained. Similar sums are there in the exercise sum. Exercise 2.2. First of all, you have to do here, complete the solution here. Partially I have completed. You have to complete the solution, and after that you do this homework by referring the example sums I have explained here. Exercise 2.2. Which of the drawing A to D show? Here fractions they have given. You have to choose the proper fraction for the given figure. For A, here how many figures are there? Here coloring shading is not visible. I will try to correct that. Shading is not visible here. Here one part is shaded. Shading is not visible in this also. I'll try to correct that. Here one part is shaded. While sending the notes, I'll correct that. One part is shaded, and here how many figures are there? 3 figures are there. And let us discuss this. Here rectangles are there. Here it is divided into 2 parts and one part is shaded. So which is the fraction of this figure? 2 into 1 by 2, because 2 figures are there. 2 into 1 part is shaded out of 2 divisions. Here also 1 part is shaded out of 2 divisions. B for the B figure, second is the answer. And here also shading is not visible. I'll try to correct when I send notes. PDF file, in that notes will be there. In that I'll correct. This I hope you will understand. If imagine that this part is shaded. I think this here in these 2 parts are shaded. 3 circles are there and 2 part is shaded. 2 by 3 is the answer. And in this also I think 1 part is shaded. 3 figures and 1 by 4. This is the answer. 1 part is shaded. I think this part is shaded. Here it is dark, so this part is shaded. 4 divisions are there and 1 part is shaded. 3 figures are there. In this also I think this is the answer. 2 into 1 by 5. 2 figures are there. In that 1 part is shaded. This part is shaded here. So out of 5 divisions. So 2 into 1 by 5. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Here also shading is not possible. Wherever shading is not visible, wherever shading is visible, we will discuss that sum. So here see, this is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts and 1 part is shaded. How many figures are there? 3 figures are there. 3 figures are there. 1 part is shaded out of 5. So 3 by 5. So for this it is 3 by 5. and for this here 3 figures, and I think here 3 parts are shaded, 3 by 4, and for this 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3. I hope you understood. Next, multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert it into a mixed fraction. This is this type of sum. I have explained here. 7 into 3 by 5. Simplification is possible this way or this way. You simplify it. And write if the answer is improper fraction, convert this into mixed fraction. So, answer page also. This is answer page. Check your answer from answer page. Answer page. Do homework.